Welcome to MTP Academy. Let's discuss about the market for February second week, how it can be moved and what are the actions we can take. Okay. First, we'll discuss about the global market. After that, Indian market and sector review. In that, we can make a basket of stocks which we can trade incoming. Okay. Let's discuss on Dow Jones US market. Okay. Yes, this is good. All the RSI are above 60. There is no weakness in Dow Jones. Nasdaq, this is also good. It is already come breakout, so there is no weakness in that also. SPX 500, yes, this is also good. There is no weakness in US markets actually. And DAX, German market, yes, it's already break up. There is no Nikki. Okay, it's also good. There is no weakness here, but only the concern is in daily it made a spinning top. So let's see how next week it will be moved, because this is the 7-star signal for selling. If it is breakdown like 36,600, then there could be a chance to come back 36,000. Okay. Kospi Korea, yes, as we discussed earlier also in last week video, it is in the sideway, so there is a trading opportunity weekly and monthly between 60. So there is no bullish in this particular stock index. Okay, let's discuss about some stocks, US stocks. Okay, Meta, very good, there is no weakness. Microsoft, all 60 above. Google, yes, Google, due to some news, it has gapped down in last week and just recovering, but again seems like it will take a resistance at 150. And here in monthly also we have a resistance. Okay, so better not to be trading this, because we have a other strong stock, so no need to be touch with Google. Apple, same thing, resistance is there. Okay, so no need to be touch this one also. Berkshire Hathaway, okay, clear breakout, cup breakout, so you can trade this based on the opportunity. Nvidia, trending completely, it's a trending stock, so you can get the opportunity and trade it. Amazon, yes, it is good, but monthly there is a resistance, and let's wait for breakout 190, so based on that we can trade later on. Okay. Tesla, yeah, this is sideway in monthly. Weekly it is already it's too weak, so it's better to be avoid trading in this. Okay, let's check which commodities are sideway. Okay, because from last 2 months it is in a range, so 64,200 and 60,800. Silver, it's in a it's took a support at 80,000 and coming down, so no need, it's not a good idea to be trading this, because in weekly also if you see there is a range over here. Okay, so better not to be trading this also. Crude, no, crude also there is no opportunity, because it is in a way, it is in a sideway, so better not to be trading this. Natural gas, yes, from last 2 weeks we are suggesting that there is no buying opportunity. If you want to sell, you have a lot of opportunities were there. Okay, now in daily it is break 40 also, so if any chance, if it is take any pullback towards 180, then there will be a good chance to fall again. Okay. Copper, sideways, and again it got a very bearish signal. If you see in daily, it's just breakdown from the trend line. Okay, so with respect to global market, there is no issue in US market or some other countries also. So first segment, global market is clear, there is no sign of weakness. Let's go to Indian market. Check Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty. uh, yeah, look at this, candles, monthly candles. Last month in January it made a uh, dozy, and this is we have completed 1 week, and this is also indices you like this week also it's made some red candle. Okay, so in daily it has been rejected from 60. Okay, even though weekly and monthly it is bullish, but daily it is completely sideways, and it rejected from the daily RSI 60. Okay, so we have to be careful in this area, because if in case it's break the trend line, this one, so there is a chance to come back to 2100, 200. Okay, until and unless 22 or 22 200 is breakout, then breakout, we may not able, not able to get a proper opportunities, right? And this is Nifty. Yes, this is also weaker, getting weaker. Actually, there is a support in weekly trend line support. So if it is breakdown from here, then we can see a 18,800 price. So, but we have to wait for that. Here also it is sustaining actually. Once it's crossed 20,800 above this, we can try for the opportunities. But until unless it is crossing 21,600s, we may not get a proper opportunities. Okay, and bank nifty similar to fin nifty, it is weaker. Weekly also 60 below. Daily it's once it's already came below 40, and now it is sustaining in this area. So better don't go aggressively buying, because 46,000, 46,200 will be a again resistance area completely. So no, it's not good idea to be go aggressively long. Okay, any by chance if we got rejection from middle band tomorrow or in coming days, so we can try for the selling opportunity. Okay, my 46,000, if it is show any of the weakness, then we can sell. Because last time also same moving average, near moving average, it has been rejected, and it almost 46 600 700 to 44 800, almost 1800 2000 points rally we saw. So now the point is, if we got any rejection at 45 900 45 46,000, definitely we can look into the shorting opportunity, right? So global market is good, but Indian market is sideway to weak, or sideway, or it is a weak. So we have to be very careful while holding long positions, right? So let's go to sector analysis, and we can check there which sector is doing good and how we can choose the stocks. Okay, okay. Let's go to reality sector. Okay, yes. In reality sector also we can see some sort of weakness. Okay, there is a low there was a loud move in Jan 23, and after that it is coming slowly. If it is break the resistance 898, then we can see again a rally in reality, but we have to wait for that. There we should not be trade on assumptions. Let it break out, later on we can enter into the reality sector stocks. Okay, energy sector, yes, it is a bullish, but there is no movement here. There is a a very slow movement, so we have to be careful here also. But it is completely bullish sector. Okay, and infra, see, look at the daily candles. There are a lot of red candles here. And RSI also flatten now. Even though if it is above 60, all the RSI above 60, but we have to take this as a kind of warning for holding for trading upside. Okay, there could be any chance, any news or anything, then it could be a come back to middle band here. So we have to wait for the opportunity when it come back. For example, look at this loud move, and after that it took a uh, support support at middle point. Okay, so we can see a divergence also here, bearish divergence. If you see here like this, and here from this point, if you see this one, there is a divergence. So I can say that it is a, you know, kind of a warning to hold, infra stocks. Okay, there is no issue with, long term holdings, but if in case we are trading in a short term, then we have to be very careful, or we better to be book a, partial profits, right? Pharma, it's really doing good, so there is no weakness in pharma. And as we aware that, pharma and IT will be a defensive sectors when Nifty and Bank Nifty is doing, weak, when they are falling, or those are going sideways. Nifty Pharma and IT will be go up. Okay, so we have to choose a strong stock in pharma for going long. And let's see, IT. Yes, IT. Only the issue is that, if there is a resistance in monthly, okay, and it is near, so we should not, go aggressive in IT stocks, because there is a resistance here. So let's take it, some, if you want to trade in light quantity and good stocks. But once it's breakout in this month or next month, then we can go aggressively in, long in IT stocks, right? PSU. Yes, PSU is doing good actually, but as we discussed earlier also, if Bank Nifty is support, then PSU, sector will be, public bank sector will be good. Definitely, that will be, you know, give a good opportunity. For, we have to track Bank of Baroda, Canara, Yoko Bank, Jammu and Kashmir Bank. We can start building positions in this particular sector. Okay, FMCG in weak sectors list, you can add FMCG, because it's already came down in weekly. If it is came, cross 60 below, so and daily also below 40. So just we have to, find out a stock which you can short. Okay, and in PSC sector, yes, it is bullish, but there is a, obviously there is a sign in, where, in daily there is a loud move. So just we need to be check whether it will be sustain this area and go up, or else it will go sideways and start falling down. Okay, just careful, because weekly also it is a bearish candle like spinning top, so we have to be very careful. So PSC and FMCG will be, we need to track these two stocks for shorting opportunities. Metal, yes, this is good actually. Monthly it is breakout, but only problem is weekly candle is a indecision. Okay, so just we have to be careful while trading metal stocks also. Okay, auto, yes, it's similar to the metal actually. If you look into these two, both are, make a indecision candle in weekly. So we have to careful while, trading auto, metal, PSC and FMCG. Okay, and let's media. No, this is completely weak. This is also a weak sector list. We can find out the weak stocks for shorting purpose, right? Let's look into the stocks where we can get the opportunity for, shorting purpose. Let's discuss last week's stocks, and within that basket itself, if in case we have a opportunity for next week, then we can, discuss. First of all, last week we made a sell basket 3-4 included DLF. Actually, DLF is changed from sell to buy this week because it's cross previous resistance. Okay, and it is sustaining there itself. So I recommend this for buy side. Okay, and in sell side, last week we discussed ITC. It has moved almost 6% down, and Hindustan Unilever. and it moved almost 1%, and jubilant food is this is 3%. Okay, and DLF has moved last week 6% upside. So now we have to wait for a proper. It's already moved from 60, so we have to wait for upside moment. Last week, what we thought, I mean, what we analyzed, like it is a kind of a double bottom. So we expected if it is 780 below, then we could have get a sell opportunity, but it took a support from there itself, and it started moving upside. Okay, and and with respect to Tata Power, okay, last Friday it has give up almost 3-4% down, and it is engulfed with the previous candles. So we have to careful in trading Tata Power. Let it sustain or come back. After that, we'll see that after 412 we can see the buying opportunity here. But if in case you are looking for the selling opportunity, then careful, because this is the strong sector, a strong stock. So I just recommend that do not trade in downside. Okay, and if in case this week if it is started trading below 380, then we can see, because this is a spinning top with value in weekly. So if it is rejected from 380 levels, then we can start tracking this for a selling purpose. Okay, and next one is Adani Port and Adani stocks, Adani Enterprises. The problem with Adani is, like, it is not in a you can say that momentum. It's in a more sideway. So so that's why I am not trading this. Personally, I am not trading Adani and Adani Port. Adani Port is good compared to Adani Enterprises, because it's in a proper trending, because it's already breakout from the 980, the resistance level. After 980, it's in a proper trending. Like once it's break from here, almost 980 here, 980, right? 980 here. This is the first breakout, I hope. After that, it traveled for 200 points, 300, almost 300. It came to 1300. But when I always used to tell, whenever you saw the breakout, wait for the pullback. This is the first pullback. This is the second pullback. Okay. So now let's see how it will give us opportunity. Okay. So, but we have to be ready with the whenever we get the chance, we have to ready with the our plan. Okay. And IOC, in Friday session, most of the stocks were came down for almost REC, PFC, IOC, and PPCL, energy sector, especially energy sector. So let's see. I mean, this is a good actually, because if it is continued for selling few more candles like this, then we can get a opportunity at 60 again. So let's wait for few more candles to sustain, or else let's break the a high of this one. So in that case, we can take a breakout trade, or else if it is coming near to the middle band, and in that case we can take a pullback trade, right? OFSS, in IT sector, OFSS, it's breakout again from this one, so we can track and we can trade this one. Okay. TCS, yes, TCS also last week made a very good moment, as we discussed, as we analyzed last week. From 13 and 4000 above, it gave almost 200 points rally. Let's see how it is, because last candle or Friday candle is in this issue. It may come back to this area, like this area, and if it is starting traveling from that, then we can definitely get a good opportunity. I can say in this month you can say another 3 4 minimum 4 500 rally, if it is take a support from here, right? Alkem, Alchem last week, it's give a very good moment because what happened, it took a support at 16 weekly also. Okay, after after five, 5100, it's moved very quite well, you know points here. Okay, but here it is in a resistance currently. Okay, just wait for a confirmation. Based on the confirmation, we can take a breakout trade. Okay. Sun Pharma, yes, Sun Pharma is in, trending. We just need to be wait for a proper pullback here, like, at least 1450 in that range. So from there you can again start trading, right? Dr. Reddy, Dr. Reddy, already, already break out from 6,000, as we discussed earlier. Also after 6,000, it gave a very good rally. Okay, almost 20 to 200 300 points. So we have to track this. And for Monday, I can say if it is breakout from 6220, you can start trading this one. Like, you can keep a SL below 2100, and 100 points SL we can take, and we can target for the 6400, right? National Aluminum, yes, it's very strong stock. Look at this. It came to near support and it's bounced back almost, from there. It bounced back almost 10 point, right? So we better to track this also. And Jindal Steel was a good stock, but it took us resistance, as we discussed earlier. It took a resistance. Wait for a proper uh, breakout. So from there you can take a trade. And in PSU Bank Nifty and Canara, sorry, Bank of Baroda and the Canara are the very strong stocks. So we can track these also. Okay. Any pullback or any opportunity. Look at this. It came to 60 and bounce back. It came to, in hourly I'm checking. It came to 60 and bounce back. So these are the opportunity where we supposed to be look for actually. And and apart from the PNB, PNB, yes, this is also similar thing. So from PSU, we have to track these three stocks, for trading purpose. And PFC and REC, it's a loud move. Okay, it came 60 below. So just wait for a proper pullback. Okay, and REC, yes, this is also, if it is take a support from here, then we can, with respect to RECPFC, you can take a call. Just wait for a proper, you know, pullback. Right? These are the stock which we discussed last week, and let's see, in last session, few stocks were made a good moment. ACC is the one of the stock which is doing good. Okay, and OFSS in IT sector. Okay, already we discussed this one. And Bank of Baroda we discussed. Ambuja, yes, Ambuja and ACC are the doing, stocks were doing very good. Just wait for a breakout. 600 above can get a very good opportunity in Ambuja. Okay, SBI. Okay, it came out of the consolidation, so it is giving a good opportunity. So let's see. Session it moved almost 30, 50, 55 points. Okay, so just wait here, wait for a pullback, and after that you can start. Okay, guys. Then additionally, we have to track whatever as already basket is there. You can track those stocks. Along with that, just I'm adding one is Bharat Forge. Yes, this one. Okay. Second one is add to, okay, ACC. Okay, and Ambuja Cement. Hero Moto is too good, but we don't have an opportunity here because it's already moving well. So just we have to wait for a pullback. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this weekly market update. Okay. Thank you. Happy trading.